predicate, and that is in grammar. And subject and predicate, in that previously I had taught you what is subject and what is predicate. Now today I will teach you about object and complement. What is object? The person or thing to whom or to which something is done is called an object. So what is that? The person. We are person. Or things. Things you all know. These benches, table, chair, these are all things. To whom or to which in that something is done means we are taking somebody else help of someone. So that is called an object. Here see, the dog with Tom. Here I will show you some examples. That is what the dog with Tom. Now I will show you what is the. The is an article. Then article. Then comes dog. Dog is what? Dog is, that is noun. Bit is what? Bit is verb. This is helping verb. To whom? To Tom. So Tom is proper noun. So now what is that? Who bit Tom? Dog bit Tom. So now I think you have understood. Now my second is Rekha is plucking flowers. Rekha is what? Rekha is what? Proper noun. Then comes is. Is what? Helping verb. Then comes is plucking. This is verb. And flowers. Flowers is what? Noun. So now here it is Rekha is plucking flowers. Rekha is what doing? Rekha is plucking flowers. And this flower is what? That is object. Flower is object. And here Tom is also an object. My third one is I have bought a new bike. I is what? I is what? It is pronoun. Then have what? That is comes in helping verb. Then helping verb. Then a new bike. New bike, that is noun. New bike is a noun and a is an article. So now here it is I have bought a new bike. So who has bought a new bike? So here I will tell I have bought a new bike. So new bike is what? Object. Now I think you have understood. Here the object is Tom. Here the object is flower. And here the object is bike. So now my next topic is complement. What is complement? Complement, it is a word or group of words. Means word. Some words or group of words. Many kinds and many words. That follows a word which goes behind word. And describes a noun. It also describes what? A noun or pronoun. That comes before it. Means before a noun or pronoun word will come. So here what is it? Every morning. Every morning is what? Every morning is a gift from God. So every morning is what? Subject. Is what? Word. A gift from God is what? Complement. But complement. But here God is what? God is noun. So God is what? God is noun. So my second one, the air smells beautiful. The air is what? It is subject. Smells is what? It is verb. And beautiful is what? Complement. So now I think you have understood this. What is in subject and predicate? What it is? Two more things are there in subject and predicate, object and complement. Now, my next part 2, that is what types of subject. Now, there are two types of subject. One is in singular form and one is a plural form. So in singular, what we are using? He, she, it and names. Whereas in plural, what we are using? I, we, you, they and names. He, she, it and names. I, we, you, they and names. In both we are using names. In singular form also we are using names. In plural form also we are using names. Now I will tell you he, about he. He is used for a boy. He is used for a boy. Then she is used for a girl. Then comes it. It is used for non-living things. Then animals, then birds. Okay, now here see, I have given some examples. My first example is what? He is Rahul. Who is Rahul? Rahul is a boy. So I have used he. Second example, she is Meena. What I have used? She. Why? Because she. Why I have used she? Because Meena is a girl. So I have used she. Then comes it. It is a bench. Bench is what? It is non-living things. So I have used it. Then it is a tiger. Tiger is what? Tiger is animal. Tiger is an animal. So what I have used? It. Parrot. Parrot is what? Parrot is a bird. So that's why I have used it. Now I will tell you some more. In this I will tell you about three persons. First person, second person, third person. So what is this? I is used for first person, singular form, right? Then we is the plural form of I. Because if it is more than one, then we are using we. Same thing, you. You is used for second person. Then they is used for the plural form of he, she and it. And that is what? It is in third person. Now I will give you some example. Here I have written, I am an English teacher. So what I am? I am an English teacher. So I is what? I, myself it is. Then we are what? Trainers. These two are what? It is a first person. But we is in first person plural form. And I is in first person singular form. Then third is you. You are an artist. You are what? You are an artist. You are second person. So you are an artist. Now my third is what? They are cricketers. They means that is the plural form of who? He, she, it. That is the plural form. So that I am using they are cricketers. Many cricketers are there. So I have used they. Now I think you have understood this. So thank you very much.